Domestication is the process in which an animal becomes accustomed to spending time with a human, whether voluntary or forcibly tamed. It is not so much of survival of the fittest as it is survival of the most appropriate. The pressure of natural selection is reduced, efficiency of some behaviors is reduced, including parenting, eating, social relations, and etc. Less fit animals that would die in the wild would now live because we take care of them. One of the traits that resulted from domestication is recessive homozygosity, and this is a trait that is from selective breeding because horses in the wild are meant to blend in with their surroundings, but we have bright colored horses as pictured that do not. These colored horses are obviously bred to be bulkier, HYPP, and other issues that are genetic because of this. Intensive management practices may include keeping a horse in a stall for some duration of time, and horses may exhibit behaviors such as this horse does. An effect of intensive management procedures can result in stable vices such as stall walking or cribbing. This horse is stall weaving, and horses in the wild obviously do not have this issue since they are not confined in a stall for an extended period of time. This can be a cause of stress, frustration with their environment, or an inability to express their natural equine behaviors, according to an article from madbarn.com. This clip shows a rather extreme case of a horse stall walking. Other intensive management practices include feeding horses on a set schedule and giving them food according to their diet, allowing certain time to be work, and the humans controlling the amount of food horses can have or are limited to. These practices center around limiting the horse from what they would be obliged to in their natural lifestyle. To help with some stable vices, giving horses toys such as a jolly ball can help their boredom issues and can give them something to do and give them a little goal, like to get the treat. Cribbing can be due to boredom as well, or a habit that they enjoy. This is another common stable vice that horses can exhibit. Cribbing is not a great habit to have because the horse could potentially lose its top teeth. Along with this, food aggression in horses is more prominent through domestication and sometimes intensive management practices, as a horse is confined in their stall for most of the time and food is their only motivation. In conclusion, horses depend more so upon humans now, and especially with intensive management practices, than they do in the wild where there are no humans.